Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a simple yet crucial feature in WhatsApp that can significantly enhance your privacy while using the app on your PC. If you're tired of sensitive message content appearing in your notifications, this tutorial is for you. We'll show you how to turn off text previews in WhatsApp on your computer, ensuring that your conversations remain confidential. First, let's get started by opening the WhatsApp app on your PC. Once it's open, you'll notice a gear icon located on the left side of the menu. Click on this icon to access the settings menu. It's here that you can customize various aspects of your WhatsApp experience, including notifications. Now, within the settings menu, click on Notifications. This section allows you to manage how WhatsApp handles notifications on your PC. You'll see several options related to notification types and behaviors. The key step to enhance your privacy is to disable the text preview option. By turning this off, you ensure that only the sender's name and the fact that you've received a message will appear in your notifications without revealing any part of the message itself. This is particularly useful if you're using a shared computer, or if you simply prefer to keep your messages private. By following these simple steps, you can safeguard your privacy and maintain confidentiality in your conversations. It's a quick and easy process that makes a big difference in how you use WhatsApp on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. We're always here to help you navigate the latest updates and features in popular apps like WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.